Deep underground, a secret society is building endless hidden tunnels, not accepting anyone from outside their circle. And they are not human. Meet the badger, the ultimate architect of the animal kingdom. A badger underground living area is called a sett. It is way more than just a hole in the ground. It has hundreds of meters of tunnels, dozens of entrances, dedicated sleeping chambers, nurseries for the kids. It even has a ventilation system that can beat ours. A sett is so well made that it stays in the same family of badgers for centuries. Let's dip together into one of those secret tunnels and discover what is so special there under. Most people think that animals living underground are messy or dirty. But the badger underground home is probably cleaner than many human houses. First, let's talk about the badger obsession with fresh linens. Most of the wild animals are perfectly happy sleeping in their own mess. But badgers, they find that disgusting. They have a linen change policy stricter than the best hotels. They regularly drag out their old bedding, ventilate it, and place it under the direct light of the sun. This is a natural, clever way to kill all the parasites that could be present in the bedding. If they are satisfied with the result, they place it back. If not, they go with fresh, dry material to replace it. Second, as they are clean freaks and live in deep tunnels, you might wonder how they handle the bathroom situation. Badgers never, ever go to the bathroom inside their home. They dig special pits outside of their living area. That is the equivalent of those old toilets. You know, those toilets that were built at the edge of our yard with a small heart on the door, so the smell never reached our bedroom. Finally, passing the sett from generation to generation is possible only because they understand ventilation. Ventilation is that science of how air moves. While building, they designed the tunnels to create a natural breeze, keeping the air fresh and the temperature steady, much like a modern HVAC system in a smart home. So we understood that our badger is a brainy animal. He's a master architect, a brilliant engineer, and also a very dedicated housekeeper. But what about his body? Nature gifted him with even more specific features. 3 big elements define the badger biology. 1. The badger is extremely powerful for his size. His long claws are non-retractable and allows him to dig the soil at an impressive rate. Not only is he fast, but he can dig hard parts. He can dig through heavy clay and even break through thin layers of concrete or asphalt if it stands between him and a food source. 2. The vision of the badger is very bad. His eyes are made for darkness and digging, meaning after several meters, it is all blurry for him. He mostly detects movement and see better at night, but don't count on him for colors or details. And to compensate that, he has an amazing sense of smell. We are talking 700 to 800 times stronger than ours. The nose is the primary organ for navigating the world. His olfactory system is so powerful, it functions like a 3D scanner. He generally detects an intruder from a distance equivalent to 2 football fields. 3. The craziest part about their biology is that female badger can pause her pregnancy for months if she doesn't feel the weather. This process is called delayed implantation. This makes sure that the cubs are born in the spring when there is a lot of food and weather conditions are optimal for survival. Yes, that is a lot of birthdays at the same time in the badger's world. So as you see, everything is planned and under control, from the birth of the cubs to the delicate architecture of the sett. The badger is the boss of the forest organization. Did you know that we share the ground with such a mastermind?